I have come to sit down, to look through, to understand this person. And I found out that LIZZY ANJORIN is not okay. And when I'm saying she's not okay, I'm not trying to diss her or insult her. It's a fact. She's not well. Okay, so like I was saying, she's not all right upstairs. She's mentally not okay. So I don't know why you get, angry, and you're coming into my DMs. You stop. You see, it's your stress that is stressing me, not her own talk. I can't be responding because I have concluded, and I can see traces. I mean, you don't need nobody to tell you that she's not okay. She's very, very sick. And I have even tried to check out a kind of, illness. And I have come to understand that she's not suffering from any other thing apart from schizophrenia. So you guys can, go Google schizophrenia and read about it. It's a complex mental health condition, because I wrote it down for some of you, and it has some symptoms, right? One of the symptoms is that hallucination. Do you know what they call hallucination? When you hearing things that are not, nobody else is hearing it. It's only her that is hearing it. Or seeing things that nobody else is seeing. And that's why you see that sometimes she says things that you people begin to wonder. I mean, somebody is dying and she's linking it to me. Nigeria, maybe tomorrow rain falls in Nigeria. She's linking it to me. Because in her head, the chemicals in her brain are no longer functioning right. I don't know that you understand what I'm saying. Oh, God. No, seriously, I'm being forget my smile. I'm really being very sincere here. Do you understand? The chemicals in her brain are no longer functioning right. And that's why hallucination is one of those things. Seeing things that nobody else can see. Hearing things that nobody else can hear. So why would you be arguing with someone who is seeing things that you're not seeing and hearing things that you're not hearing? You guys can never be on the same page. Normal. School too. And they can only fix it medically. Not by bantering words with her. Not by shouting. In fact, not by even arresting herself. I don't understand. If you go and report to the right authorities, like I have done, I have reported all this case, like this case with LIZZY ANJORIN, I have reported it to the right authorities. And I've left it there. Even they also tell me that, yeah, but why are you stressing? This girl is not okay. Can't you see that she's not okay? And even inside of me, I begin to look into this thing. And I'm like, she's definitely not okay. Do you understand? Why will IYABO OJO once said, how can somebody be talking like that? How can, see, there's so many things, like, she's not okay, guys. And if you guys can just come to terms with the way I have come to terms with her, you guys will no longer be getting angry. Look, I know this video now will upset her. And do you understand? She's going to go on and 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 on. But that's just what is going on with her. It's so pathetic. It's so, funny that, unfortunately, I am her target. But do you know why I am her target audience? Because it's only my name that can give her the views, the attention, and the attraction that she needs and long for. If she stops mentioning my name, how on earth is she going to remain relevant? She's not going to be relevant. Let her try, talk about something else and not put my name and see if it will trend. And you people, are the one making her trend. And I can see bloggers who carry her. They are also, that's what they do. They blog. That's how they make their own money. Do you understand? She's not going to stop. So please, this is 2026. I honestly want to make money. I honestly want to stay focused. If you send me DMs and you're stressing in my message box, I'm just going to ignore you. I'm not going to respond to you, because I have said it here. I am done on her matter for now. I don't have her time again. So please, ANJORIN. Again, schizophrenia, those who have it, they suffer from delusion. Do you know what delusion is? Holding on to false narratives. Do you understand? They are dululu. That's why she creates all these things in her head. Oh, Yabo has been monitoring me since 20 years ago. I don't know. You see the price of fish in the market. You see the face on Naira. What's my business with monitoring her? I didn't even know her then. Do you understand? She's dululu. That's it. It's not normal. It's just me now. I'll come out and say somebody has been monitoring me for so. It doesn't make sense. Oh, Yabo OJO is just lover. Then the next minute, Yabo OJO is working with just lover. Then the next minute, Yabo is part of just lover. Because that is what is in her head. The same person who has claimed to pay just lover, who said this lover has blackmailed her. You know, she went to Idwanta, did a fake transfer. She said Yabo OJO said she stole gold. Where's the video I said you stole gold? The only news out there was that you did a fake transfer. The only video out there was that I was drinking to my gold bag, enjoying myself. Where is the video where I said you stole gold? No video. Where is the video? Even this is the first time I'm saying that she did a fake transfer, because that is what we saw on social media. Where's the evidence? Now, watch me, guys. She will crop this part now that I said she did a fake transfer, and she will now use this as a false evidence. Evidence that she has claimed she has since, so you will see that she will just provide this one now. Because that's who she is. So, guys, this is 2026. I am not going to address her again, honestly. If you guys keep coming into my DMs and stressing me about this ANJORIN girl, I will start blocking you people. Emma Bino, I know you worry for me. I know you're my fans. I know you say you love me. But if you really, truly love me, just ignore. Don't fight any battle. You cannot win this battle, because you are fighting with someone who is mentally not okay. Leave her. Let her continue to roam mad on the streets of social media, because that is the only way she can stay relevant. She needs it. And it's so sad that her family members are not doing the needful. The last time, she said Mama Elizabeth posted her child, and I don't know, a funny picture or something. I don't know what picture this she said, but when I saw the whatever thing she claimed as evidence, I noticed that they took something that Mama Elizabeth posted on her Facebook page. I don't know if that's Mama Elizabeth's real Facebook page or, you know, a clone one. And then they went to pick a place where I smiled on Instagram under Mama Elizabeth's page, and then they merged both together. How can you claim I commented under a post on Facebook by going to my Instagram to pick a smile and merge it and call that an evidence? Is that an evidence? Is that normal? No, is that not madness? So guys, please, leave her alone. She's not going to stop until they take her for medical treatment. As long as they don't take her for medical treatment, she will not stop. She will not, she's not going to stop. Disorganized thinking or speech, hard to communicate or follow through. Someone who suffers from schizophrenia. You can see that sometimes when she's talking, her talks are not lining up. She's saying one thing today, she's saying another thing tomorrow. They always suffer from memory loss. They don't remember. They can't keep up. If you go and watch all her videos, do you understand? She's not okay. And I really feel very sorry for her, honestly. At this stage, I feel sorry for her. So initially, I was angry with her. Initially, I was so worried about this girl. I worry about her health sometimes. You can see that sometimes she's looking very tired. Because you see, you can't fight the whole world. So it's crazy. She's so stressed out. And unfortunately for her, she's married to someone who's not learned. She's married to someone either is ignoring the signs or he's just not interested in getting her help. Because what she needs typically is help. She's not okay upstairs there. The chemicals there, they're not functioning right. Me right now, nothing that she says, no curse, nothing. The ones I stumble on, because I don't go on her page, but the few ones I stumble on, I just laugh. In fact, there's a guy on TikTok that mimics her so well. The guy is so funny. He's so hilarious. Do you understand? When I stumble on his videos, I laugh my ass out. Like, it's all cruise for me. I don't take nothing that she's saying serious anymore. Nothing. Let me tell you one of the reasons why. Because God has kept blessing me. I am healed, I am healthy, and I am of a sound mind. And I am grateful to God because the blessings that He has blessed me with in 2025, I'm telling you, it's not going to be compared to the blessings He's going to bless me with, and my family and children with in 2026. I'm going to stay positive for my sanity. I'm going to stay positive for my children, for my life, for my family, for everybody around me. That is family. I don't know whether I'm making any sense to you guys. I need you, my fans, to just leave her alone.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ̀ mà tún ti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí ó sọ nípa LIZZY Anjorin àti ọkọ rẹ̀ nínú fídíò èyí tí ẹsẹ̀ wò tán yìí, látàrí bí arábìnrin yìí bí ó ṣe ń pariwo orúkọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lórí social media látọjọ́ yìí. Ẹ ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe ní wípé kí wọ́n fi kalẹ̀ ọ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Kí ni ohun tí ẹ lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wá sọ báyìí o?
Stop. If you stumble on videos like that, if you know it upsets you, scroll through or laugh it off. Don't take it too serious. Don't come in my DMs and say, Queen Mother, what are you doing? This thing is, I can't sleep. If you cannot sleep, me, I'm sleeping. I'm eating fine. I'm okay. This fight is of God. It's not of man. Do you understand? It's of God. It's only God that can heal her. It's only God that can strengthen her. So, she's going to come up with, manipulative things, defaming, so many things that she's going to come up with.